Data engineering is a field that focuses on the practical aspects of handling and processing large data sets. This includes designing and building efficient data storage systems, integrating data from multiple sources, and ensuring data quality. The goal of data engineering is to provide data scientists and analysts with the high-quality, reliable data they need to make informed decisions. Data engineers work with a wide range of technologies, including relational databases, NoSQL databases, data warehousing and ETL tools, and big data platforms like Hadoop and Spark. They also need to have a strong understanding of data modeling and data management best practices. Essentially, data engineering is a field that ensures the data is ready for analysis, modeling and decision-making. It's the backbone of data science.